In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics with Firebase step by step 2026. By the end, you'll have your Firebase project linked to Google Analytics so you can track user behavior and measure engagement with reliable, privacy-aware reporting. First, open your browser and go to the Firebase Console at console.firebase.google.com. Then sign in with the Google account that owns or manages your project. You should see a list of your Firebase projects. If you don't, make sure you're in the correct Google account or have the right permissions. You'll need edit access in Firebase to complete the connection. Next, click the project you want to measure. That takes you to the project overview dashboard. From here, look toward the upper left for the gear icon that opens project settings. Inside settings, find and select the integrations tab. This is where Firebase centralizes connections to partner products, and it's the hub for enabling Google Analytics for your project. On the integrations page, locate the Google Analytics card and open it. You'll see an option to enable or connect. Click to begin the linking flow. You'll be prompted to choose a Google Analytics account and a property. If your organization already uses Google Analytics, pick the correct account and the GA4 property assigned to this app or site. If you don't see one, you'll be guided to create it during this flow. Pay attention to the data location and settings shown. Data location can't be changed later, so select the region that aligns with your compliance requirements. Review and accept the terms, then confirm the connection. If you're asked about data sharing settings or Google Signals, choose the options that match your privacy policy and regulatory obligations. When the connection completes, you'll be returned to the integrations page, and Google Analytics should now display as connected. In the Firebase left navigation, the Analytics section becomes active, giving you quick access to dashboards like events, conversions, and DebugView. Keep in mind, this walkthrough covers enabling the link. Your apps still need the Firebase SDKs configured and, for web, the measurement tag or G-tag integration for data to flow. If you've already added the SDKs, you should start seeing events within minutes. Some reports may take longer to populate. If you run into a permission error, ask a project owner to grant you the required roles or to complete the link on your behalf. If you can't find the right analytics account or property, verify access in Google Analytics Admin. And if you selected the wrong region by mistake, you'll need to create a new property with the correct location and relink. That's it. Your Firebase project is now integrated with Google Analytics and ready for meaningful insights.